Okay, so let me get a stop loss. So let's say your stop loss is underneath the structure right here, right? We're on a 1 minute time frame, right? We're on a 1 minute time frame. Let's say we get into the trade from here for this buy. So you see your green candle, your green buy, right? You have your green trend line and you have your green volume bar, right? Now what you would do is drop a vertical line in, guys, right? You can do this on any time frame. Let's say we drop our vertical candle right here, right? And then all you have to do is enter the trade. You would come on your phone, find US oil, buy, right? And then you could always put your TP after your SL after, and so forth, right? Now you enter the market right here from this candle, and what you could do is enter. You could move your SL up every 5, or you could even do every 10 candles. You understand? Because you're on the 1 minute time frame, it will move quick, right? Now let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Now you could move your SL right here because we don't know what the candles after is gonna be doing. So even if you did move your stop loss from down here to underneath this candle, you would have got stopped out, right? Now even if you did get stopped out, all you have to do is make sure that the colors line up and you could re-enter back into the trade. You understand? So let's say you got stopped out and you want to re-enter back. Look at this. Let's say you don't get stopped out from here, right? Now what you could do from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You would have got stopped out here. If you did, is that a flat bottom? Let me check. Remember, you're moving it every flat bottom candle, guys, right? So yeah, the rest of these weren't a flat. Is that a flat bottom? Yes, this is a flat bottom candle. So you could move your SL right here, right? And if you did get stop out again, then, and this is why I don't do the 1 minute, guys, but because everybody is trade different, I have to cater for everybody, right? Let's say again, you got stopped out, right? All you have to do is wait until you see a next green solid candle before you actually re-enter back again, right? Now let's say all of these candles were still green and they're still pushing up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? You keep moving your SL up in profit. Boom, right? Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Boom. That's from the one entry, guys, right? If all of them was flat bottom like that, that would be from the entry all the way up to the top, right? Let's say you got stop out right here. It tells you to take your profit, so you could take your profit on this candle, right? And let's say you took your profit, or you got stopped out from in this area right here, and you get a next buy because you're on the 1 minute. It's gonna keep telling you to buy, or a sell will drop in and a buy will drop in again. So let's say you got stopped out, you got a next buy, all of the colors line up, you re-enter back into the trade. Now what you would have done is move your SL, or put a new SL underneath the structure again, right? And you stay in this trade until you will see a little bit of sell, right? This sell is not valid, right? It's not valid because we got our next buy. You could have re-entered back into this buy if you weren't already in on this one. You got a next trade and it would be moving sideways, sideways, side. You see how much buy you get after that? It came up, pushed up, found support, right? It literally found support again. You got a next buy right here, and you can see that the trend line is underneath, which means that buyers are in control, right? And from your in this buy, the more it's pushing up, you keep moving your SL up in profit the same way. You understand? Look at that. So because these have wicks, if you see the candles have wicks, guys, do not move your SL up in profit, because each wick is gonna come down and keep stopping you out, right? So if you just re-enter back the trade right here on the 1 minute, right, you still have to give the trade some time to push up. You want to move your SL right into profit right on the second candle. That's too quick. Because if you did, look at this. Where's my SL? If you did move it in profit on the second candle, you would have get stopped out, right? Look at where you would have moved your candle, your SL under the second candle. You would have got stopped out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, 6 times, right? So leave the SL where it is, right? If you did enter right here, and let the trade push up a little bit. You understand? Leave the trade, make the trade push up enough, and when it keep pushing up and you get a few flat bottom candles good, then you move your SL up in profit. Even this too soon, because oil can just pull back, boom, stop out and run gone. You understand? This is still too soon because we're just leaving off of a support. It can pull back, retest back this box and run off again and left you gone. You understand? So this is on the 1 minute. Same thing with the 3 minutes. You understand? Look at this. Beautiful. You understand? Beautiful buy. See that's all? You don't need to jump out of the market. If you say take profit, take partials. If you did take partials, you whatever lot size you use, you keep it there. Come back again, take partials, right? Re-enter back again on the 1 minute. Enter the trade again. Make it push up. It will tell you to take profit again. You understand? Or if you don't use a stop loss, you just leave the trade, let it run. And when you're ready, you just take your one lump sum money, go to your bed, go sleep, talk to Jesus, pray, and come back in the morning. You understand? Good. So that's under 3 minutes right there. Right? This is under 5 minutes. You see, every candle is different. Oops, sorry. Every candle has different time frames, guys. So you can't compare the 1 minute to the 3 minutes, and you can't compare the 3 minutes to the 5 minutes. You understand? So look at this. Beautiful buy. You don't need to jump out of the market. You can even stay in the 5 minutes, guys, and stay in the trade as long as Jesus no come off of the cross. You understand? So you enter for your buy right as now. You understand? Your stop loss is all the way down here. So look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Boom! See it at the 5 minute even better than the 1 minute. Watch out. You understand? 1, 2, 3, 4. We still need a 5th candle. When you get the 5th candle, see it tell you to take profit. That's all. When you get the 5th candle now, see what the 5th candle is doing, right? If the 5th candle keeps pushing up, and you get a next 5 minute candle, and it keeps rising, then you move your SL from here so underneath the 5th candle, which would have be right here so. You understand? Make we see we are gonna get to our next one soon. Which part maybe put the 5th down here so? Somewhere down there so. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, we have a couple seconds for the 5th candle come. Make we see where to come. Alright, so right so now we don't tell yourself to take some of your profit and run go in your bed. You understand? Not necessarily, but you know what I mean. You understand? So make we see what I go on now. Alright, 7 seconds to go. So everybody understand so far? Everybody understand so far? So mama, watch out. Everybody that took that trade supposed to be up in a lot of profit right now. Because I haven't come out of my trade. Me still in. You understand? This is what I'm trying to show you guys. Stay in your trades a little bit longer. Unless there's news or whatever, yes. But you still have secure on your way. You understand? You can't stay in a one trade for morning. Go all the way back up to evening. Right? So look at this now. You get a 5th candle. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Now, because I'm in the 5 minutes, I wouldn't move my SL yet. Because I need a next candle to come up and start push up before me move my SL from here. So I remember you're looking if the candles don't have no wick. You're looking for flat bottoms only. No wick, nothing today. You understand? No wick should not be there. So once I get a next new 5 minute candle, right, and it keeps pushing up, I can move my SL from here to here. Boom, right there so. Right? Now, even if the 5 minute candle, the new 5 minute candle does come out and come back and with me still, watch out, me a building the money. And me and Putin that I roll around there so. You understand? Because technically I am the money man right now. And a Trump again. You understand? So, even if this come down and say, okay, you make too much for the day, go on in your bed. Me still fine, me not go ball. You understand? Me not go cry. But let's say now that candle, the sixth candle, right, or the first candle, because we would have basically be starting over each time. Let's say the next first candle come up and it push up run go about the business. Me mama, then you know rich. You understand? You're rich man. You're real rich. That's kind of Tanta Blacks. You understand? So it's gonna keep pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. Remember that, guys. Oil has been ranging from what we can fill up. You understand? And we're on the lower time frame. So we have 2 minutes left. We are going to walk on now. 2 minutes we have left. You understand? All right. So let's see. We're waiting now. We're going to walk on. All right. Let me see. Let me see. All right. So we have 1 minute left. 1 minute. Guess is that the buyers and the sellers are fighting for the prices, so you know. All right. So this thing is saying that the times will run out. So hopefully it will come back. It was the new candle will come up before. All right. So let's see what's gonna happen here. We have 1 minute. So everybody understand so far? Everybody understand so far? Did I make it clear on how to move your SL up on the Fibonacci, the Ikanashi? So I did record this, so I'll put it. I have a whole lot of videos to put on my YouTube, guys. All right, we have about 3 so far. So we have 56 seconds left on this candle. Let's see what this candle is going to be doing. 43 seconds. So if you're still in the trade, guys, make sure you secure your profit, right? Because it's pulling back. So just make sure you secure your profits. All right. All right. Boom. We have 8 seconds left. Let's see. I just secure some of my profits them. Come and enter. So boom. See that? What me just say? You now need not for the day. You not need not more for the day kind of come back, stop your auto run go about the business. Now your trend line is still buying. You understand, guys? Your trend line is still buying. So if it does break certain area, it might activate a little sell. But the sell won't be valid because it's just retracing because it's been running up all that time. Remember, the market does not run in one straight line, guys. You have to come back and retest certain area, 50% of some of the candles them before it end up going back up again. See, that's all. You understand? So everybody, if you did move your SL up in profit, right? If you did move your SL up in profit a little bit, you would have, the same time that I was doing it, you would have get stop out right here. That's why I said don't move your SL up too close, because what this might do now, probably come back down also to the 236, retest this area, right? So, right, look at this. It might come down, retest this area, which is technically 50%. See that? Let me say, me are the goat. Me is the goat, and Jesus say, Jesus love me. Jesus love me. You understand? Jesus love me. This I know. For the Bible tell me so. See that so? When me just say, it will come back down, activate a little bit of sell, if we trick the people them, come back down, come retest certain structure, boom, activate back a little buy, and then you can re-enter back for the buy. You don't need not more than this for the rest of the night. You understand? See, that's all. It will come down, go wipe out the one of the stop loss them underneath here, so because them know say people like we are trail we stop. You understand? We don't want to give back everything to the market. Now, can you imagine now if you're not trading your stop loss like this? Are you in the market? Look here. You catch all of this move, you know. Are you in the market and make this come all the way back down here, so? You lose how much pips. Waste of time. Right? Waste of time. So that's why I said secure profits as you go. I've seen people in a trade and the trade push all the way up to Jesus. I make the trade come all the way back down to L. You understand? Lose all of this profit. You can secure profit up, make it come back down, come retrace, take it back up for the buy, make more money on top of this money. You understand? So you have to be aggressive with the teaching. You understand? You can't take time and talk sometime. You understand? So everybody understands so far? So the best time frame to do it on, the 5 minutes. You understand? If you're a scalper. Or you could do it on the 15. You know, so the market will move every 15 minutes. The candles is moving every 15 minutes per time. You understand? Look at this. This not reach nowhere. This not reach nowhere. Right? He has to pull back or retest back the previous candle. You understand? That's what he would have done. So this buy, right? This only a buy from here. So if you're more if you're a risky trader like myself, I would have entered from here. So or done yourself, me see the setup a setup. You understand? So if you want to be very cautious and wait, you wait for everything to line up. Look here. You understand? This has been running for the last 106 pips. You don't need more than that for the day. You're done. You understand? You finish for the rest of the day. Or if you want enter back again, drop to the 5 minute or to the 3 minute or to the 1 minute, wait for next buy, enter back. Right? Once you take your profit. Right? So if we were to enter back this trade now, if you did get stop out, wait for it to push up. You need back all of the colors them green. Or if you go on the 3 minutes, you wait for your buy. Because the buy before is now invalid. Right? The buy before is now invalid because we get a little sell up on the lower time frame. You understand? We haven't got a sell on the 5 minute. Right? We haven't got a sell on the 5 minute because there's still buyers in. Right? So if you're waiting on the sell on the 5 minute, you could. And once you get the buy, boom, you're back in again. That was why I got the strategy for everybody. You understand? So see it now. The 15 minutes still have buyers. The 30 minutes still have buyers. No buy, let me see, no buy not even upon this. Oh yeah, it did. The buy was all the way from down here. So can you imagine if you did catch this buy from here, guys? All of this buy 118 pips so far. 118 pips so far, guys. On the 30-minute time frame. On the 1 hour, you know that every candle is moving 1 hour at a time. Look at this. On the 1 hour chart. You will be up 178 pips because every time frame is different pips. They count them different. 9 hours this data buy, but them candle you know look like they're not going away. You understand? It come up to the 382, which is the goat zone. That's why it reversed just now. You understand? So it's been buy now for the last 2 hours. Or the last minute and 9 hours, them two lie. You understand? And then when you go on the 4 hour, this thing not even touched nowhere yet. You have buyers in on the seller candle right here. You understand? It's still within this zone right here. So if we need it to be out. Once this activator buy on the 4 hour, gone. You understand? Then on the day soon finish anyway. We have 84 minutes left on the 4 hour candle. And we have 83 minutes left on, no, sorry, we have 4 hours left on the day candle. So just stop trading for the rest of the day. If you're still in, you're still in, just trade your stop loss. You understand? But on the day, you understand, we have no movements at all on the day. There's no volume. It's grayed out. So when you, I forgot to say this, guys, when you see the gray down here, it means that there's no volume. So it's neither buying nor selling. Now if it's buying, it's buying on the lower time frame, but on the higher time frame, there's no volume. It's just sit down one place. You understand? Let me see. Today is not my day yet. I got dashed out of my Zoom and my trade. Your Zoom and the trade. How you get dashed out of the trade? You mean the oil trade? So yes, guys. So that's how you would literally trade your stop loss along the way. You understand? But yeah, you could look at the four. Oh, you took US 30. Okay, I forgot to look on that now. But yes, so that's how you would literally use it, guys, and trade, do your trades, and you're good to go. All right. Let me see what's happening. So yes, so technically it's still gonna go up. You understand? It's still gonna go up if we get it to break the 618. Because it already is at the 50%, which is the goat zone, on the 30. You understand? So if we get it to break and close above, we have 16 minutes left on the 30-minute candle. If we get it to break and close, then we know that buyers are coming back in the market.